Tonight in Chemung County, where county officials and the State Department of Environmental Conservation had been met with national outrage after a viral pet squirrel was seized and euthanized in late October. 12 News' Daniel Curran has the county's explanation on their involvement in the situation.
The health department had nothing to do with the search, nothing to do with the search warrant, or etc.
The recent euthanization of viral sensation Peanut the Squirrel has caused controversy not only through social media, but for the state DEC and Chemung County. The seizure and euthanization of the social media pet and a raccoon, both kept illegally, left people on the internet outraged. According to the county health department, the squirrel bit a DEC operator during the seizure, causing concerns for rabies.
Look, I realize people want to vet, but at the end of the day, I think you have to realize the seriousness of a human contracting rabies. This is protocol from the state, turned down to the county. The county health department only did what the protocol is.
The nationwide anger has led to threats of violence against county and DEC officials.
Many of our employees have received death threats, phone calls, emails, and so forth, yes.
County officials said in a press conference Tuesday they were acting in accordance with New York State guidelines. They emphasized while the DEC handled the search warrant and seizure, euthanizing the animals was a state decision.
There's a lot of data on rabies incubation, so the time between an exposure and when you have the disease in humans and in our pets, dogs, cats, ferrets. That same scientific data doesn't exist for wildlife, thus rendering a confinement or isolation not applicable.
Both animals were tested for rabies, and while both came back negative, county officials say immediate action was necessary no matter what the test results were.
The concern is the raccoon, and especially since it seems to be somewhat domesticated, so it could contribute the rabies virus if it was incubating the virus to the humans or the squirrel without that act of aggression or some fight that would render the squirrel, that would kill the squirrel.
The DEC is conducting an internal investigation regarding the handling of this case, and Chemung County officials are considering ways to slow down the euthanization process. Daniel Curran, 12 News, Chemung County.